Okay, we'll start. Okay, good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good.
sir.
Good. I'm able to hear more voice. Nice to meet you once again. Welcome back to my class once again. I hope you know what I'm going to handle today. Anybody tell me what is today's topic for our discussion? Come on. I already posted everything. What we are,
Case study as a tool.
good.
What is it?
What is the case study I'm going to discuss? It is here. Which company name?
Dabur.
Good. Yes. So under that, what is the brand slogan of the Dabur?
Celebrate life.
Oh, yes. So you are going to celebrate everything today. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, only few sounds are coming. What happened? Come on, oh, you are energetic. No, now you are
We
completed.
had a short. We had a short break, sir.
Yes, that's already
We had just 7 minutes break, sir.
15 minutes over. That class to this class. You had your tea or snacks? Never say no, ma. What I told. You should be very positive. Whatever the question, even if you are not having your tea, you have to tell, okay, sir, I will have by 12 o'clock. You have to answer like that. Make yourself as a professional people. That's what on the other day I told. Good. So everyone is now ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, good. Okay. Dear friends, today's discussion is about the case study. Some of you might have done the case study in undergraduate level, but since you are opting for MBA program, usually in case of examination as well as for the classroom teaching, it is based upon the case study. You have to grasp knowledge, everything from the case study. That is the difference between the traditional courses as well as the postgraduate courses. We used to tell number of stories. Based upon the story, you have to fit it for the concept. That is the simple thing in the case study. I hope today I am going to tell the story of the Dabur. So after telling the story, you are going to tell me what you have inferred from that one. That is today's discussion, okay? So most of you are having Dabur product with you. Whether you are having any Dabur product with you in your home?
Yes, sir.
Good. I expect that answer. Yes. Good. That's what now you are changed to professional people. Somebody, if you are not having, try to find out some Dabur product and see the Dabur product. There are a number of Dabur products are available today. You can nicely ask your mom, Mom, I need one Dabur product, anything. In your, she will shout at you, don't worry. Try to bring and keep it near you. You have to show your Dabur product. I will ask around 11:39, I will ask. Okay? 11:39, you have to show your Dabur product from your home. You should have some physical exercise, no? Otherwise, you will sleep, I know. So today's topic is the case study. I have given the title as Drones of Dabur. Since you are the first time going to witness the case study, I have taken the very old case only. This case was actually prepared 3 months back. And now we are using that one since you have to practice about the case study. That is the aim of that one. So the case is about the Dabur products. I hope everybody is having some sort of marketing mind. So you can utilize your marketing mind. And first I am telling the historical events of Dabur. That is the story. Listen the story. Then there will be one question. You have to answer that one. This is not a comprehension. Yeah, up to 12th standard, even in case of college level, there will be a question on comprehension. A paragraph will be given, some questions will be given, you will answer. That is called comprehension. But most of the students, when they are coming to the MBA program, they used to find out the answer like comprehension only. Here question will be there, case study, paragraph will be there, but answer will not be in that paragraph. That is the difference between that comprehension and the case study. In comprehension, the answer will be in that paragraph. So in school studies, you will go through that paragraph and find out the answer, you will write. Here it will be not like that. You must know that difference. Here, today's discussion is about the drones of Dabur. So at the end of the case discussion, you have to tell me why I have given the title, the drones. Okay? So now itself, refresh your mind and focus on that one. You are going to celebrate the case of the Dabur. Let us start the story of Dabur. So most of you know about this Ayurveda, which means that science for life. It is an old tradition of Indians. It is purely based upon the natural remedies, everything. The traditional system which was prevailing in India, it is even called as prevention and cure. Ayur means the prevention, cure means, Veda means cure. How we are going to cure based upon the classical system. The Dabur used to find out this method to market their product. Be clear. You are now a professional person. How Dabur decided to market their product using the name called Ayurveda. That means science of life. Each and every person used to develop some USP for their product. USP means unique selling proportion. They used to create some unique selling proportion if you want to sell. Likewise, here Dabur decided every product from Dabur is purely based upon the science of life. That is the USP created by Dabur. So you must know that one because this is very important thing. It depends upon the different thing. If you are going for a cinema, somebody will like only the music. Somebody will go for actor. Somebody will go for actress. So each and every movie will have some USP for that one. Likewise in marketing also here, this Dabur is having one USP called Ayurveda. That is the science of life. Okay, so I hope you are having some Dabur product with you. Check whether it is an Ayurvedic product or not in your mind. Don't reveal to anybody now. So that is the USP of any organization. Here, the USP is the Ayurvedic product. Then let us see the historical background of the Dabur. What Dabur is mentioning. They are mentioning that it is an 135 years old company, which was created by the Burman family near 1884. See that one, very old organization. We used to call it as old is gold. That is the concept of Dabur, how they decided old is gold. Of course, when you are doing, you are not preferring the old products, but these fellows give importance for the old for gold. And they used to start their business in bylines of Calcutta. Now you used to call it as Kolkata. During those days, they used to sell the Ayurvedic products in the small lanes in Calcutta. From that, it emerges. See that one. But now it is managed by different group, of course, their family. It is having 3 divisions for the Dabur. There is healthcare products, family product, Then Dabur Ayurvedic Specialties Limited. That is how they used to divide that one. They, as usual, since it is an Ayurvedic product, they used to have the USP. They mentioned that all the products are chemical free. That you have to tell whether it is chemical free or not. That is how they are marketing. So be clear, these are all the technique used by Dabur to market that product. You should be very professional in seeing all these slides. Then they mentioned that in 1936, they named as Dabur India Limited during the British regime itself. Very old organization. The forefathers of the Dabur mentioned that it's a very old company, and they changed the name as Dabur India in 1936. Then in 1972, they shifted their headquarters, everything to Delhi. That is the another initiative, especially in Faridabad. I think some of our students are also in Delhi in those days. This is the photo of the Delhi in 1972, not at present. So you can see the gate and thinking in a different manner. Then they are having the factory, which they used to call it as R&D center, which is located in Shahidabad. We'll see that one. And how these locations are, they are located. So Dabur is having such type of location. There are a number of products from Dabur. You might have seen, you might have used some of the products from Dabur. Even it started with ordinary toothpaste. Even we can say that toothpaste powder, they never used the paste. Then it changed. Now you can see different product lines they are entering. Even their famous one is Vatica. That is their famous brand name for their product. They entered into the market, and real, they used to call it as the natural fresh products. And hope when you are entering into airport and railway station, you might you are drinking this type of product, real. These are all the product they used to introduce that one. And they are having their locations. At present, they are having 12 domestic manufacturing units. See that one in 12 places, starting from Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, even in Assam. They are having manufacturing locations. Manufacturing locations for this product means they used to procure raw materials from this organization. Since it is an Ayurvedic combination, they used to mention their raw materials may be some of the medicinal herbs, medicinal plants. Wherever medicinal plants are available, they wish to source from that place. So what they are doing, they are having different locations. From that place, they used to source the product. Then, even in foreign countries, UAE, in case of UAE, they are having that one. I think somebody is in Abu Dhabi. She will know that one. Egypt, they are sourcing some of the medicinal plants from Egypt. I don't know, they are selling like that. Nigeria also, Turkey also they are sourcing. They are not selling any products in Turkey, but they are sourcing from Turkey. Sri Lanka, they are having very good market for sale. Bangladesh and Nepal also they are selling. Usually in Egypt, Nigeria and Turkey, they are sourcing their product. In UAE, it's a very good market for them. They are selling the products also. Now recently in case of United States also, they started their branch only for selling, not for manufacturing anything. That is their global area. They simply started in the lanes of Calcutta. Then they entered into the capital city, Delhi. Now they are expanding that one. With this simple USP, Ayurvedic product, science for life. See that one. Simple thing. They never did any big mantras to create a new product. They did a simple thing. But since their USP is Ayurvedic, they are mentioning that they are procuring products from different countries. Of course, their market, major market is in India. That is their USP, how they are telling. And you can see the income of the Dabar. Since it is a case study, you have to look in different angles. You should have 360-degree vision. 360-degree vision means you have to see this side, that side, up, down, even back side, everywhere. You have to dance and see. That means you should have focus. Okay, here is an example of the finance side. Some of the financial background students may know that one. They had to prepare the income statement, and their income is showing that it tends to increase. And you can see in this graph that red line from 2016 onwards, steep increase. In 18, they achieved the peak. 19, it tends to slightly decrease. That is the problem now. Their income tends to decrease. It went to a very peak level. They never even expected. But 2019, some downtrend they faced. That is their financial lookout. Then, what is their business strategy? We have already discussed healthcare sector. Then they introduced the personal care, home and personal care. They used to call it as premium products. Premium product means they used to sell to the high-end customers. That is important thing. They used to mention this is organic, this is purely natural. All this comedy they will make. And they used to mention that this is a premium product. That is their strategy. Never assume that premium product is means high priced and high end only. Number of hips and loops will be there. That means they used to sell 100% organic and there is no chemicals. Everything they used to sell, and this product will have no side effects. All these things they used to tell, and they used to fix a high price. Then only you people will buy. Otherwise, we won't buy the product. If the product is priced high, then our assumption is that, oh, this product is having some different values. That is why they fix the high price so we can buy. That is the marketing strategy they used to create as a premium product. Then in case of food category, that you know, number of juices they are having, they are selling number of pulps, especially orange, everything. You can see now everything in almost all the airport as well as in case of railway station. If you are traveling in Air India, they are giving the product of Dabur only. Even in case of Indigo, you can drink the Dabur product. Anyhow, you have to pay huge amount for that one. In open market, you can buy for 60 rupees. In flight, you have to buy for minimum 150 rupees. But they mentioned that they have personalized the product according to the air travel. That is their business strategy. They know how to sell that one. That is the strategy. Strategy means some tactics they are using to push you and pull according to their business. That is the thing, pushing and pulling. They are using the strategy for that purpose. Okay, that is their business strategy. Yes, and you can see as per the private research they used to mention in 2016 and 15 also, that is 15 calendar year and 16 calendar year, the Dabur has been identified as the most trusted brands. That is why in the income statement it shows the high one. And they mentioned that Dabur red paste and Dabur Hajmola have been identified as the biggest gain. That is the top brand from the Dabur. Anybody is using Dabur Hajmola and Dabur red paste? Yes?
Sir, Hajmola chocolate, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good, good. I am receiving responses, yes. Do you accept that these are all the trusted brands? Dabur is trusted brand for
Yes,
red.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Even though somebody is tending you have to say no, they are saying, if you want to say no, of course, by 2025, it will be a good trusted brand. You have to say like that. You should not say, no, sir, this is not a trusted brand. My father and dad, they won't accept this brand. If you want to say like that, you have to say, sir, by 2025, it may be a trusted brand. Okay. So they used to mention that one, red paste, everything. And you can see the distribution network. Distribution network means how it starts from the production stage and ends with the customer. They are having two set of things. One is rural and another one is urban network. Rural means they used to sell to the almost all the villages because they are all Ayurvedic product. They are targeting the rural more. But now I think from 2016 onwards, they are saying that they are having very good market in urban place also. In case of Bangalore, yesterday I came to know that it ranks number 3 in some of the product because of this COVID. They introduced a number of products during the COVID pandemic and they are mentioning that it is ranking number 3. Okay. And they are having 6 million retail outlets in India. See that one. It is not owned by them. They are having some sort of links with self-help group, etc., etc. And 6 million retail outlets throughout India. See that one. This is a very big network because they are very, very old organization. Of course, now they are saying they are a very golden organization. That is why their distribution network is very, very strong. Because everywhere, even a small retailer in a small village, oh, they will sell the Dabur product. Even some of the fake products of Dabur is coming and they are directly giving to rural products. 2 years back, there was an issue. That means if any fake product is coming for your brand, it means that your brand is very good. That is the simple thing. If anybody wishes to imitate you, then it means that you are a branded person. Same thing here. Here they mentioned that they are having 6 million retail outlet. Even they are having their carrying forwarding agents in urban as well as in rural market. And their focus, usually when an organization used to focus, they are having some strict rules. You have to follow this one correctly. Say go in this direction likewise. Here you can see focus on field efficiencies. They used to target how you have to display in the rural market, how to display the Dabur in a small retail outlets, how to pick and paste it, all these things in such a manner. The window display, that is very important for the Dabur. That is like in your home, you are having a very good interior decoration for your home. You are sitting and you are making your background differently. Even I used to make, I'm sitting in your class and making a different background. How interior is important. Likewise, in Dabur, you may not agree, they appointed number of persons for the interiouring. How to put this Dabur product, how to sell that products, they are very, very keen in that one. And they used to come to some of the retail outlets and they used to take a picture and they used to give recommendations. Everything at free of cost. That is very important thing in marketing. Now we used to call it as creating the social currency. And in 2017, of course, some slight changes in Ayurvedic. They mentioned that we are number one in Ayurvedic. Then, of course, now we are producing some other non-Ayurvedic product also. You know what was the reason? From 2016, they used to mention they faced one severe competition in Ayurvedic product. Anybody is able to tell that organization name?
Anjali, sir.
Yes? Yes, good. Very good. Patanjali. Because that Baba Ramdev, not me, I am not Baba Ramdev. That Baba Ramdev created a very good marketing strategy. Whether the product is good or bad, I think some of the girls, they are immediately shouting at me. Don't worry. And Patanjali created a marketing waves, sky limit waves. So what happened? Some of the Indian customers are turning towards, in their closed eyes, towards the Patanjali. So what happened? This Dabur faced some problems. Okay, Patanjali is dominating. So in such case, they used to make some slight changes for the product. That is how they did. Of course, for Ayurveda, what they targeted means they used to target the doctors. See that one. Directly reaching 32,000 plus doctors. They created the strategy for Ayurvedic products along with the Siddha doctors, even in small medical clinics in rural places. They used to give very stiff competition to Patanjali. Because, you know, Patanjali created with that Baba Ramdev, he used to dance, he used to flourish with that orange color dress, Kavi dress, and make it as a big one. He used to mention as a very good brand name of India and with the tradition. But how to overlook the competition of the Patanjali? These fellows created one strategy. We can directly go to the medical clinics in rural place. Of course, if possible, you can talk with the doctors. They may recommend, because doctors never recommend any food habits, but they wish to make them. Or they used to put up their stalls nearby small medical clinics. With the help of self-help group, they targeted. And they used to have an association with 50 plus Ayurvedic colleges. Of course, in South, we are having Nitila Ayurvedic colleges. In Kerala, it is more, it's not in the form of colleges, more Ayurvedic clinics are there. In Tamil Nadu, Kerala, in Karnataka, southern Karnataka. Then we have to go to Gujarat. In those places, number of small Ayurvedic clinics are there. They used to target directly to make their product, because they know if they are silent, this Baba Ram, they will capture everything in the market with his strategy. So what these fellows planned, they created a strategy towards the doctors. Okay. Then for the urban marketing, they created a supply chain network with the help of technology-based one. They created a very good database. They identified 1,000 stock keeping units. SKU means stock keeping units throughout the country, especially in urban places. And they created the technology to identify who are all using that one, Dabur products. And they created a very good warehousing system. And from that warehousing, they used to directly supply to the urban people. And even they used to have the artificial intelligence. One of the Dabur International Global Supply Chain head, Raman Singh, informed that they created an artificial intelligence to identify how the urban people are seeing the Dabur product. I used to ask with that Raman Singh, I chat with him from that news. Why, how you are using this artificial intelligence? Because you are saying all are Ayurvedic products. You are targeting rural people. How you are using artificial intelligence? He mentioned that first we introduced in Dubai, UAE Mall. I think our students might have visited that UAE Mall. UAE Mall in the big, they used to identify big shopping units where these consumers are seeing which product they are seeing. They introduced the camera. From that camera, they used to capture the images, how people are seeing this product. Based upon that input, they changed the colors of the Dabar and they used to market in UAE, and it was said to be successful one. Based upon that, they are creating number of artificial intelligence solution in urban place. When you are entering into DMart, you are seeing this side and that side. And you are seeing which color you are preferring, how to keep the product. They created one very good research with the help of artificial intelligence and they made it. And you can see they created a centralized e-sourcing. Centralized e-sourcing means all the sourcing will be done in one office virtually. That is important. Likewise, I am sitting here seeing you throughout India, even outside India, I am seeing same thing. They created a centralized e-sourcing to procure the materials, to buy the raw materials. For preparing some of the Dabar product, they need medicinal plants from Egypt. They need from Turkey. So they created a centralized e-sourcing one. And they created a very good supply chain network for that purpose. Everything was done in 2016-17. And you can see they used to target even the retailers with the help of the SAP. With the help of SAP, they used to see the invoice billing and what are all the products the customers are buying in the Ayurvedic side, whether we can manufacture product according to their nature, everything they used to create that one. So all these things started, even for the sustainability, they started innovation in plastic packing. Because there are some person agitating that you should not use plastic. So they created an alternative solution for the plastic packing. And they mentioned that everything is renewable. That is what they used to mention because they have to market in other countries. They introduced everything. Okay, even then the income curve is dumbing down. But they targeted 2020, we have to increase our sales by 2020. But unfortunately for them, fortunately for this COVID virus catch the Dabar also. Because of the COVID, what happened? They were unable to sell. Already their curve is coming down, but now due to COVID, the issue started. This is the climax scene. What happened? The Dabur India suspends production at manufacturing units from March 31st. I hope you are already having your Dabur product with you. See that your Dabur product. Whether you are having Dabur product, whether you identified any product from your house. I told by 11th and then I will ask. Yes, any students who are sleeping? Anybody, anybody identified any Dabur product?
Dabur honey, sir.
Yes, you are keeping in your hand.
Sir, Dabur honey.
Good. You can show that, I think Siva Shankar. Huh? Show why you are hiding. Open your camera and show that product. Yes, somebody is going to show. See that one. But I am unable to see anybody here. Yes. At least try to show your product. Yes, Raksha is showing. See that one? Very good. Elena is showing. See, these are all the products. This is a real case study. You are all showing the product directly. Hmm? How this product, these are all the Dabur products. All these products you can see in the manufacturing, whether it is before or after COVID. Another person, Varghese is also showing the Dabur product. See that one. Good. Now you are interested in the case study. Yes, good. You can see even the product, Dabur product, same thing. They are also showing. Alina is showing the product. Dabur suspended its production. All these red paste, everything, they stopped the production. Okay, ma, good. You can keep down. Why you are? They suspended the production unit. So what happened? Yeah, everybody, they are lamenting. They lost most of the income. They are unable to sell, even though they gained good. So they decided to capture once again the market. That is, you are going to tell. Dabur Group commits 21 crore in fight against COVID. They decided to contribute something 21 crore to fight against COVID. That means not only doing good service, but also attracting the market. That is, you must know. This is called professionalism. Making everybody happy. You can see that one, Dabur commits, even though their income is coming down, they decided to commit 21 crore to fight against COVID. Then they launches some of the measures to fight against COVID-19. They introduced one insurance scheme, Dabur Ashtray, an insurance scheme for their own staff members. Then only they will come and work in the production unit. So they created such type of insurance scheme. Then only they decided to start their business. Students, you should be very careful with that one, because most of the organization, they are calling, come and work. The COVID virus won't attack you. But these persons never tell like that. That is the ethics created by the Dabur. This is called social currency. Social currency means the value of Dabur in society. What they told, come and work in our office. If anything happens, we will take the responsibility. We are going to introduce the insurance scheme for you. How they call the people, you can see that one. Then, of course, 2 months over of COVID, then they identified, okay, people are going for hygiene product. Some of them are saying that we need immunity booster. So now Dabur identified, why can't we can go for immunity boosters, since it is an Ayurvedic product. They decided we can go for such type of immunity booster during this type of COVID pandemic. And you can see that one, they used to give importance for the existing immunity booster from them. Chyawanprash, honey, some of the products. They mentioned that they are all immunity kits. They inform the people that you can go for that one. That is the method they wish to inform to the public. Even then, the demand is not up to their mark. Even they created a immunity booster, it boosted the market. You can see that one, the Chyawanprash of the Dabur increased its own brand value. Most of them try to buy that product. for as an immunity booster. That is why in the report they mentioned that it is not only going to improve their immunity, but also from the community side and from the Dabur side, the market for the Dabur product tends to increase. See that one simple thing and change. Our products are old, but they mentioned that this will create immunity. Even in strategy, Steven sir used to say that old wine in new bottle. This is the strategy. Old wine in new bottle. The Dabur introduced that one, but it is not that going for the rural people. You know, rural market is very strong for Dabur. They decided to go for online sales because during the COVID pandemic, the buses are not running, vehicles are not flying. Even you have to go for e-pass. All situation are like that just 1 month back. So they face the problem. Online sales, they decided to go for, even then, if there's an online sale, they used to target only urban places. Even during the COVID pandemic, because of these measures taken by them, they started their production unit. And they used to give the immunity booster from them. See that one, Dabur, as well as their own competitor Himalaya, witnessed spike in sales of Ayurvedic products amid COVID-19. First instance, they gained more. Even from Patanjali. Patanjali is not working. First time, they used to overtake the Patanjali. It looks sharpen its herbal edge as Ayurvedic products get a push. Yes, throughout India, everybody decided to go for immunity booster. That is how they used to create. And you know, they used to target the women. They started women COVID-19 warriors. And they entered into the new demand creation. They created a very good demand for that one. Even they introduced the Dabur sanitizers, and they introduced new product. Even though product may be old, they given the new brand for that one, sanitizing as an immunity booster. All these things they decided to introduce, and first time through Amazon they used to sell the product. Before that, they used to sell Amazon only in few places. But now it is not like that. Because of the COVID pandemic, they decided to use the online. They can't sell. So they use the Amazon platform for selling that one to boost up their product. But these online stores are not available in rural India. Dabur is having 62% share. How Dabur will manage? That is the question. So now you have listened all the questions. You know the historical background of Dabur. COVID-19, you identified different markets, but urban market is moving. They are unable to target the rural. What is the solution? That is the case study. You are going to tell me the answer for that one. Okay? This the story. The story ends with a climate situation. What is the conclusion? How they can market the rural people? Tell me. Anybody can open and tell, I expect more answer. After that, don't worry, I will also tell the solution. Never worry about correct answer or wrong answer. There is nothing correct and wrong. In case of case study, this is not like your English comprehension. Only in English comprehension, there will be correct answer. Here it will not be like that. We have discussed the strategy of Dabur, push, pull, everything we have discussed during the COVID-19. Even they changed their methodology, strategy, but they are unable to move towards the rural people. If you are a marketing manager or if you are a manager in Dabur, how you will do? That is the question mark. Come on. Anybody, you can tell your story. What you have to do in case of Dabur. Come on. Anybody can tell your suggestion. If you are the Dabur manager, what you will do? Yes, Siva Shankar. Yes, Siva Shankar, you can start. You can unmute and tell me. I think Siva Shankar. I'm unable to hear from you. Anybody is talking? Yes, come on.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell your
Uh,
suggestion.
Yes, this is Melvin. What I think what Daba can do is exactly what Hero MotoCorp tried to do, when they wanted to infiltrate the rural market. What they did was, aggressive promotion totally based on that particular demographic. Like rural is not urban. So like urban marketing promotion won't work as effectively as it's for the rural one. What they did was they targeted all the festive occasions and, made their advertisements around it, and their pricing also kind of changed, and they made a particular dealership in that particular district so that it would be easy for those rural people to acquire their product without going into the city or without venturing a huge adventure or something like that. And also they did financing help by setting a financial institution there itself so that it would be easy for them. So Dabur can do the same thing, like choosing their key demographics and making a whole marketing strategy around it, considering that they're totally different from urban cities.
Okay, good. Good, Melvin. I think other person, Sudhakar is having some answer. Come on, Sudhakar.
So no answers are there, but
Never say no once again.
no answers are there. That's
Good.
what.
Tell me.
In the sense, post COVID-19, you're talking about the post COVID-19 or before COVID-19, sir?
Post COVID-19, new normal. After COVID, that is present situation. How Dabur can market into rural place. That is present situation. That is COVID pandemic is going on, I think some issues with.
They can promote their products, giving like free sanitizers, small sanitizers along with their products to the rural areas, and they can promote by saying the COVID-19 situation and all.
The problem is they can't enter into villages because the still now the transport has not been improved. In case of Tamil Nadu today only the buses are started flying. That is the situation. Okay. Very good, Sudhakar. Somebody, Cyrus.
Sir, I mean, in starting of your presentation, the title was like drones.
Yes, come on.
So I think it's like they're going to use drones or something like that. I mean, presently you can't travel around, so I don't know. But I don't know whether it's legalized in Indian government. I mean, the society, but I think they are going to do that.
Good. That is drones. That is why the case study title is Drones of Dabur. Very good answer. Anyhow, they use actually in case of rural places only if they are having very good knowledge about that one. This case is also very good. In Rajasthan, they use the drones in some of the villages because the people, they are not permitting any outsiders to enter into their villages because of this COVID-19 pandemic. In 8 places only they were able to use the drones. Good answer, Cyrus. Any other students? Come on. This is the case study. You have to tell. I used to sleep. You have to tell the answer.
Yeah, so Neeraj here.
Yes, Neeraj, come on.
So there's two solutions to this. The first one is that or anyway in the rural areas the ration shops are there, and people are frequently visiting it. So they can put up a stall near it. So it will be like a direct sale. And the second one is that the unemployment level in rural areas is like very high. So they can instead of going there, they can give employment to someone who is already there and just give the product, like deliver the products to them, and they can sell it.
Oh, nice. Good. Neeraj ideas. I think same idea. 80% of Neeraj idea has been utilized by Dabar recently. Good, Neeraj. Finally, only one student. You can come.
Thank you.
Yes, your name? Somebody is coming. Come on.
Sir, Thomas here.
Yes, Thomas, come on.
Sir, I think by giving some digital marketing in this strategy,
Oh, good.
Dabar should put more investment into customer acquisition cost, which is a new trend now. So I think by giving more into that, I think they could reach into rural India in a better way.
Yes, good. Good, Thomas. Thomas' idea is also very nice. We can use the digital marketing. You know, recently one of the organization identified one survey and mentioned that mobile phones are used mostly by rural people during the COVID, not by urban. So you can see the BSNL only did the survey. They mentioned that most of the rural people are using the phones as well as the technology. Even Amazon, they are asking why Amazon is not in our place. They are very fast in moving towards the digitalization. So Thomas' answer is according to that one. Yes. Any other answer?
The main reason they're using mobiles is because of TikTok, I guess, sir.
Good.
That's the thing.
TikTok now it is bad.
Yeah, TikTok reached so much to the rural area, so everyone could use mobile. So that TikTok was the main thing, I guess, for the huge popular of the phones.
Okay, good, Sudhakar. So let us see what this Dabar did at the end of the pandemic, just 1 month back, what they did. Let us see. Of course, somebody already mentioned their original plan was to introduce the drones. They were very successful, but only in 8 villages. They introduced the drones to supply because everybody should know the technology, and drones, with the help of drones from some of the places, they used to pick up the Dabar product and give to the rural retailer. And of course, this is not legalized. They are having huge demand. They used to satisfy only 20% of the demand. So in their own villages, where they are having very good network with the help of some of the rural women people, they are having self-help group, they are having tie-up with self-help group. With that persons, they used to introduce the drones, and they made it successful in some of the places, especially in Rajasthan villages. Let us see what happened in Dabar. As somebody mentioned, they introduced the neighborhood Kirana stores. Of course, it is very difficult. It works well in urban, but in rural also, they used to identify the concept of Kirana stores, small stores in rural places. And they used to give the Dabar product there. I will tell how they are going to give, because no transportation, everything. They used to target the neighborhood Kirana stores, like what they did in case of urban places. In case of urban places, you can see in this picture, they used to create a small unit just in front of the retailing unit. They used to sell from that one. Here it is a vegetable, but they used to sell their product, immunity booster, outside that one. Same thing, they decided to take to the rural place. So if they wish to give importance for the rural place, what they did, we have to have a very good promotion. Otherwise, even if you are selling the product and giving the product, it won't be have very good effect. So what they did, Dabur Amla, they created a very good promotion campaign. Somebody mentioned a digital campaign, digital marketing, good. Same thing, they created a digital campaign because as Sudhakar mentioned clearly, TikTok is very famous in case of rural area. They utilized the same strategy, equivalent to TikTok, but not TikTok. They use some of the strategy. They used to create a first promotion. And they used to create a product. They used to sell into the rural places. But before that, another department started to work in a promotion campaign. They used to mention the promotion campaign as the Champi. Champi is considered as the promotion campaign. Champi means like TikTok, they can talk with other people and they can create their own video and they can put up in the social media. This Dabur will take all the social media to the people, those who are viewing from the rural place. Like TikTok, they used to call it as Champi. See that, well, let us see some of the Champi promotion method, how they promoted. You can see in this one, how they created a TikTok style of promotion. They created one side. Yes, you can see the, you might have seen that one. This is how they used to give the promotion. The first promotion, like since TikTok is very famous, as Sudhakar mentioned in rural places, they also identified. Why you can't mention like that? They will ask the rural people and even the urban people, when you are using the Dabur product, take a video and put it in our social media, we are able to promote. And in case of Kerala, they made it as a different ad for that one. You can see the ad campaign of the Dabur in Kerala. They used to create with the different lifestyle changes. I am muting the sound anyway. By seeing that image, you can see that one. A new promotional campaign during the Onam period. Because Onam is also coming under during the pandemic period this year. They used to target all those things. You can see that one how. Because before reaching the people, we had to give very good promotion. That's what did by the Dabur. That's what they did. And another important thing, they were having their own CSR. CSR means corporate social responsibility. They were already having corporate social responsibility team. With that team, they are having linkage with the rural people, especially self-help group. And they identified some of the villages and they used to set up some of the toilets, everything for the rural places. It was an old one. But now what they did, they wished to identify some persons from rural. So what they did, through their CSR, they identified those people. In 2018-19, they did very good CSR effect, promotional thing, social responsibility work in rural places. Now, they decided to use those people, self-help group people. See that one, they made it successful. And they created a gender equality and empowering women because in rural places, the sentiments are like that. They used to give importance. Only if rural women used to give importance, they will accept. Such type of value chain they created. Dear students, this is the successful one. They try to utilize the CSR method since they were already having their corporate social responsibility team, CSR team. They already worked in rural places, so they are all in rural places. They targeted these rural women through their CSR thing. Even though nobody is able to travel, they targeted the rural people. So they call the self-help group members in such type of rural places, and they used to sell them. The product will be distributed through the urban network to the rural place with the help of big truckers, because truckers are permitted during the COVID-19. But only truckers will go if there are customers. Without customers, if you send the goods through the trucker, it is waste. So they created a promotion program and they targeted the rural people, and then they used the truckers in other places. In 8 villages, they used the drones for supplying to the self-help group. And the self-help group will sell. How they will sell? They used to identify small stores, and they used to stand in front of the Kirana stores, and they used to sell from there. That is the method what Dabur created. So anyhow, as a student, you must know how to write all those things. You can see that one recently, the demand dynamics have made the Dabur sea change. Other products, they were unable to market like this, but Dabur made it successful. Even though they faced the problem during first 3 months, 4th month, their income tends to increase. Now, they are able to achieve, even though they are unable to achieve 100%, they mentioned that they are able to achieve their one. That is the answer for that one. Dear students, this is called the case study. A live problem you are able to analyze and you are able to give the solution. Here I have given the question as well as the answer, so you need not worry. But in examination point of view, you are asked to write the answers. First part only we will give in the examination. The case will be given. Second part you have to answer. Here second part I have already answered how Dabur did. Only if you are having very good knowledge in application side, you are able to answer. That's what in MBA level we expect. Here we have seen the story of the Dabur, and the problem we have identified is during the COVID pandemic, they were unable to market in the rural thing. That is called problem. How they achieved? They created the drones, but it was made successful one only in 8 villages. Then they created a very good promotion. How they started promotion? Since rural people are favoring to TikTok shows everything, they used to create something from the rural people. You can take a video using the Dabur product, post it in our social media. We will promote you everywhere. And they promoted through to the rural place, because in case of the BSNL, they mentioned that rural people are using the social media, even the networking division higher than the urban people during the COVID pandemic. They utilized that one. And this promotion creates a good demand for the Dabur. What happened? Now they used to target the self-help group. Self-help group, they were already having, because they were done very good CSR. Since they were very good in CSR, now that part helped them. That is the core thing. Even though their USP is different, good, but the CSR only finally helped. They targeted the self-help group, and self-help group people are ready to sell like the Kirana stores. They ordered to the Dabur, and now they use the trackers since they were permitted during the COVID period only if there is demand. Somebody else, otherwise checks, it is not permitted. It has been permitted and they achieved that one. That is the story. Dear students, likewise, try to read the newspapers, everything. Then only you will know the strategy beyond that one. So in case of examination point of view, whatever may be the subject, we are having the case study in MBA level. You are able to answer that one. So conclusion, you might have seen that one. And very old organization, 135-year-old organization, they created trust even in difficult times by defining the performance. That is how they achieved. Okay. I hope you might understand this thing. You are able to answer the questions and answers in such a manner. This is called a case study. Okay. So now you can ask questions. Let us have a discussion if you are having any doubts. Come on. Any doubt over the case study? In case of case study, a live case will be there. Then you have to identify the problem. You have to give the solution. Solution may be different. There is nothing called correct answer or wrong answer. Okay? Are you able to understand the case study? Say yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Come on, now you can open your video. I have to see your face along with
sir.
the Dabur products, those who are having. Every time you should. Yes, come on, Raksha, show your product. Others open your video. I have to see your face, you know. Good. Hariharan is showing that one. So you are now linked with the case study. Come on, everybody. Open your video, show your face. Then only when you are coming to the class, I am able to remember you. I hope I am coming to the first year for activities only this year. During the activity, I am going to see everybody. Good. Melvin is there. And only few of them are laughing. I told you, no, you have to laugh like Bill Gates. Dance like Jack Ma. You have to love with your pet animals. You should be a professional, but sing like an Indian. That is, think global, act local. Good. Everybody having some smiles, but even then some of them are not smiling. They are still thinking. Robin, still the smile is not coming. He's thinking. Good. Ivan, ready to smile. Thomas, still you are not smiling. What happened? Yes. Started. Maybe still your face is something different. Good. Somebody is showing the product. Good. That is how some of the students, they are all accustomed with the case study. Even some of the students, they are not showing their face. Reshma, Densi, Rachana. Yes, now Shivasankar is coming. Good. So you have to practice all those things. Join hands with the organization to know the case study. You can see there Ritika is showing how the Dabur is that one. She is very, very favorable towards the product called Dabur. Good. So any queries you can ask by your smiling face. No questions. Yes, come on. You are all satisfied? What, ba? Jacob
Yes,
only
sir.
smiling. Good.
Yeah.
Say at least yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Smiling. Good.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
So, thank you once again. We will meet in the classroom for activity, okay? Until then, enjoy yourself. Be a professional to the class. Be clear. I expect everything to be in a professional manner, okay? Enjoy your life. Likewise, enjoy your studies. You have to study with the help of all the live cases. Don't study with the help of stories which are not live. That is why I have discussed the Dabur, which is a live story of that one. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Oh.
Thank
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 you.
you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Thank you.